What happens to your body when you eat ginger every day? For over 4,000 years, ginger has been recognized as a versatile spice with potent healing properties, capable of treating and preventing various diseases. Originally prominent in Indian cuisine and traditional Chinese medicine, this popular spice owes its distinct flavor to gingerol, its active compound that exhibits antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Beyond its impact on taste buds, ginger influences numerous bodily functions, offering several notable health benefits. Now, let's delve into a discussion of the 9 benefits of consuming ginger. 1. Eases nausea. Ginger has a long history of use in Chinese medicine for its antiemetic, preventing vomiting, and digestive aid properties. It is believed that ginger helps relieve nausea by stimulating saliva and gastric juice production in the stomach, enhancing the efficiency of food digestion. Additionally, the herb may act as an antispasmodic agent, helping to relax the smooth muscles in the digestive tract. Ginger contains beneficial compounds like gingerols, showgales, zingerones, and aromatic oils, which are believed to contribute to its anti-nausea properties. Furthermore, ginger has been found to possess anti-inflammatory effects in the gastrointestinal tract, which could further explain its effectiveness in alleviating nausea. One way to harness the benefits of ginger for nausea relief is by consuming ginger tea. To prepare ginger tea, simply add 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger root to 1 cup of boiling water, allowing it to steep for 10 minutes before consumption. This remedy can be consumed 2 or 3 times a day when experiencing mild nausea or vomiting associated with pregnancy or motion sickness. However, if you experience severe nausea or vomiting, it is important to consult your doctor immediately. They can provide guidance on the most suitable treatment options for your specific situation. 2. Boosts the immune system. Incorporating ginger into your diet can have immune-boosting benefits as it enhances circulation throughout the body, aiding in the fight against infections. Ginger contains several compounds, including gingerol and showgales, that have demonstrated the ability to stimulate the production of natural killer cells, which play a vital role in the immune system. Gingerol has been found to increase the activity of white blood cells, which are essential in combating infections. Additionally, this compound promotes the production of macrophages, which assist in eliminating foreign and harmful substances from the body. Consequently, ginger helps protect against bacteria, viruses, and other invaders that can lead to illness or disease. Moreover, research indicates that showgales can prevent specific cells from dying when exposed to viruses such as influenza A and rhinoviruses, commonly associated with colds. This demonstrates the potential of ginger in providing protection against viral infections. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you can potentially boost your immune system, thanks to its ability to increase circulation, stimulate immune cells, and protect against viral threats. 3. Helps ease migraines. For centuries, ginger has been utilized as a home remedy for migraines. Its effectiveness is believed to stem from its ability to inhibit inflammatory enzymes in the body, which are thought to play a role in triggering migraines. Furthermore, ginger may help relax muscles and reduce swelling in blood vessels, providing relief from the associated pain. To maximize the benefits of ginger, you can consume it in raw or dried form, or incorporate it into your favorite recipes. Ginger supplements are also available for purchase at most pharmacies and health food stores. Notably, ginger contains showgales, which have been found to decrease blood flow in the brain. This effect may alleviate migraine pain by reducing blood flow to sensitive areas of the brain. By including ginger in your diet or utilizing supplements, you may potentially find relief from migraines. Ginger's ability to inhibit inflammation, relax muscles, and reduce blood flow to the brain offers a natural approach to managing migraine symptoms. 4. It may lower the risk of cancer. Cancer is an alarming disease that claims the lives of over 500,000 individuals annually in the United States alone, often affecting people during their prime years. While there are numerous types of cancer, they all share a common characteristic: uncontrolled cell growth. For instance, skin cancer arises from damaged cells that fail to undergo proper cell death. In some instances, these damaged cells form tumors that can metastasize to other parts of the body. Researchers have discovered that ginger contains antioxidants and phytochemicals that may aid in combating cancer cells within the body. In one study, scientists observed that ginger extracts affected prostate cancer cells in a laboratory setting. Additionally, they determined that consuming 3 grams per day of powdered ginger root could reduce the risk of prostate cancer by up to 40%. Another study published in the Journal of Cancer Prevention Research examined the impact of ginger on mice with breast cancer. The findings indicated that ginger extract reduced tumor growth by approximately 50% and significantly diminished tumor size. When human breast cancer cells were exposed to ginger extract in a petri dish, they displayed reduced tendencies to spread. This suggests that ginger might hold promise as an effective treatment for metastatic breast cancer, a condition that is often fatal due to its ability to spread throughout the body. The potential benefits of ginger in fighting cancer are being explored, offering hope for alternative treatment approaches. While cancer remains a formidable disease, ongoing research into the effects of ginger on various types of cancer demonstrates its potential as a valuable addition to cancer management strategies. 5. Manages high blood sugar levels. Ginger has a long history of use in managing high blood sugar levels, dating back centuries. In fact, ginger has been found to have glucose-lowering effects in individuals with type 2 diabetes, particularly when consumed in capsule form. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerols and shogales, are known to stimulate the pancreas to produce more insulin. Additionally, ginger possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce overall inflammation in the body, which is a significant contributor to the development of type 2 diabetes. A study published in 2009 investigated the effects of ginger on glucose tolerance. The study involved 16 healthy volunteers who were given either 500 milligrams of ginger powder or a placebo before meals, 3 times daily, for a duration of 40 days. The results demonstrated that those who consumed ginger had notably lower postprandial blood glucose levels compared to those who did not take it. The improvement in glucose tolerance was attributed to ginger's ability to enhance insulin secretion from the pancreas and improve insulin sensitivity. These findings highlight the potential benefits of ginger in managing blood sugar levels, particularly in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Ginger's ability to stimulate insulin production and improve insulin sensitivity offers a natural approach to supporting blood sugar regulation. 6. Helps ease anxiety. Anxiety is one of the most common reasons people seek medical assistance. It is a mental health condition characterized by feelings of fear, nervousness, or worry. While experiencing some level of anxiety is normal and can even be beneficial in certain situations, it can become overwhelming and disrupt daily life if it persists or becomes unmanageable. The good news is that there are numerous ways to effectively manage anxiety, including lifestyle changes such as exercise and dietary adjustments. Experts recommend incorporating foods rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids into the diet as they may help alleviate anxiety symptoms. Additionally, ginger is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries in Asia and Africa to promote a sense of calmness and reduce feelings of nervousness. Ginger's soothing properties have made it a popular herbal remedy for anxiety management. By adopting healthy lifestyle practices and incorporating natural remedies like ginger into one's routine, it is possible to effectively manage anxiety and regain a sense of calm. 7. It may help reduce indigestion. Indigestion is a prevalent issue that many individuals experience following meals. It manifests through symptoms such as bloating, gas, frequent burping, and heartburn. These symptoms tend to occur shortly after eating and can persist for hours or even days. In the realm of natural remedies for indigestion, ginger stands out as one of several beneficial herbs. Other herbs that may provide relief include fennel seeds, peppermint leaves, basil leaves, and chamomile flowers. Ginger possesses gingerols, compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that help alleviate the pain associated with indigestion. Moreover, gingerols can reduce the production of gastric acid in the stomach, making them effective for mild cases of stomach ulcers. To address indigestion, ginger can be consumed as a tea or added to food and beverages. Alternatively, you can opt for supplements that contain concentrated amounts of ginger for enhanced effectiveness. By incorporating ginger into your routine either through teas, food, or supplements, you can tap into its potential as a natural remedy for indigestion. The anti-inflammatory and acid-reducing properties of gingerols make ginger a valuable ally in relieving discomfort and promoting healthy digestion. 8. It may help with asthma. Asthma is a chronic lung disease that hinders the breathing process. The airways, responsible for carrying air into the lungs, become inflamed and narrow, leading to symptoms like shortness of breath, wheezing, and coughing. While there is no cure for asthma, many individuals are able to effectively manage their symptoms without the need for daily inhalers or medications. Gingerol, a compound found in ginger, aids in relaxing the muscles within the airways of the lungs. This relaxation helps alleviate swelling, allowing for easier breathing. Additionally, gingerol reduces the production of mucus in the lungs, facilitating the expulsion of sputum during coughing episodes. If you experience difficulty breathing, one approach is to juice 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root and consume it promptly. Another option is to prepare ginger tea using 1 teaspoon of grated ginger root steeped in 1 cup of water, boiling it for 5 minutes. By incorporating fresh ginger root into your routine through juicing or tea consumption, you can harness its beneficial properties in managing asthma symptoms. The muscle-relaxing and mucus-reducing qualities of gingerol can contribute to improved respiratory function and a reduction in asthma-related discomfort. 9. It may help to decrease the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Ginger exhibits the potential to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease by impeding the formation of brain plaques. These plaques consist of amyloid beta peptide deposits on nerve cells, which ultimately contribute to the development of Alzheimer's. Research findings have demonstrated that ginger extract can inhibit beta production by up to 80% in laboratory tests. Furthermore, gingerol, a compound found in ginger, plays a role in reducing oxidative stress within the brain. It achieves this by inhibiting enzymes like cyclooxygenase 2 and 5-lipoxygenase, which are responsible for generating inflammatory compounds within the brain. The accumulation of these compounds can lead to the onset of Alzheimer's disease. The decrease in antioxidant enzymes, such as catalase and glutathione peroxidase, also contributes to oxidative stress as they play a vital role in removing harmful free radicals from the body. By inhibiting plaque formation and reducing oxidative stress, ginger presents a potential preventive measure against Alzheimer's disease. Its ability to regulate key enzymes and counteract inflammation in the brain suggests promising benefits in maintaining cognitive health and minimizing the risk of this neurodegenerative disorder. Are there any health risks with ginger? Ginger is generally regarded as a safe food when consumed in moderation, with no known side effects. However, it is important to note that ginger may interact with certain medications and herbal supplements. Additionally, ginger has the potential to lower blood sugar levels and impact the body's utilization of other herbs, vitamins, or medications. Some individuals may experience mild gastrointestinal symptoms such as bloating, nausea, or diarrhea after consuming ginger. Individuals with gallstones should avoid using ginger as it may worsen symptoms. It is crucial to consult with your doctor before incorporating ginger into your routine if you have diabetes, a bleeding disorder like hemophilia, or if you are taking any medications for these conditions. Ginger may also interact with specific heart medications, so it is advisable to seek medical advice before adding ginger to your diet if you are currently taking such medications. While ginger offers numerous potential benefits and can provide relief from various symptoms and discomforts, it is important to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on certain medications. By being mindful and discussing your specific situation with a doctor, you can safely incorporate ginger into your daily diet and enjoy its versatile nature and anti-inflammatory properties as part of a health-conscious lifestyle. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.